Hey guys, this is Josh of Basic Value. For today, I'm going to be teaching you how to add sounds in Scratch. So first, you need a block. Okay, let's just put it in here to begin with. And then right after, let's select this one. All right, so we already have this sound. Now, what you want to do is go to sound. So you could use this block. You could use this block, or yeah, you could use these two blocks. So let's just say we use this one block, and then let's just wait 1 second, and then we just um set the volume to 50. So this is just simply how to add a sound. So if you open the screen up right here and then I click this one, you should be able to hear a sound. So that's how easy it is. Thank you so much for watching. Please do not forget to subscribe. This is your homeboy Josh. I'm going to be seeing you on the next one. Peace out.